I'm just in the mood to build some more, but I don't want to get started on a new big set. So we're gonna do this. Oh fuck! Oh my god! Why is the camera so bright? That's so stupid. What the fuck? I guess I'll just get all the pieces on the table and hope... Oh my... Oh, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. So we got this. We got this. Again, it's literally like 94 pieces. Camera, why? It's literally 94 pieces. It's really not a lot. So it's a quick build, because again, I'm in the mood for building something, but I don't want to start on a new one. And I don't want to start on a new, bigger one. I just want to be done with it. And this is the smallest one that I have, and it shouldn't take too long. And then we will be done with this stream, okay? Does that sound like a deal? There we go. This is all we get. And the set itself, in the end, is again an anti-aircraft gun, and it will look like so. Is it this? Yes, it is. Like this, from Mod Bricks. Also not labeled on the top, I don't know. Don't care. This is what it will look like in the end. Again, a really small one. It fits one of the other sets that I got, which is a World War II themed destroyed Berlin diorama. And that's why I got it. It was really cheap, really small. I thought, you know what, fuck it, might include this as well, because why the fuck not? So, let's get started. Relentless streamer abuse? Wait, what? Why? Oh, that's interesting. Wait, what? Oh, that's so interesting. Wait, I've never seen this before. These thingies, normally, of course, they would go onto these, right? It makes sense, right? But this one is actually sitting between them. Look at this. You see that? It's like between them. And that's what it's also meant to be. Like, you can see it up here. It's like between them. That's so interesting. And this one is on top again. And the last one is also like between them. That's so interesting. What the hell? It's on top on like Jen. Listen up! Why? Are you... Now that's bad. I mean, I think it's good that it attaches to the middle and also to the outer sides, because right now this is okay. This is as it should be. It straight up just it just does. That's bad. Holy shit. The third one is also fine, and then the fourth one is again bad. Oh my god. But I not like onesie, I feel trapped. Wait, don't you like feeling trapped? But onesies are so nice and comfy. Okay, let me finish this. Because apparently I cannot lift it off the table without it fucking breaking. Detaching. But again, it's a good thing that we attach it to the middle and to the outside, so it will not... So it will stay in place, luckily. That's a good thing, because holy shit, that... Yeah, I will never... Already, just based on this, like, experience just now, I would never buy anything from Modbricks ever again. That is bad. I mean, maybe not ever again, but you know what I mean. Holy shit. That should never happen. Like, ever. There we go. Yeah, but it holds like this, because of course it's attached from all sides. But that was horrible. That was bad. Like, seriously bad. That... Yeah, no Modbricks. Don't buy Modbricks. That is ass. Okay, doing something else separately. These are interesting pieces. We had a few of those, like, in bigger, but I didn't see them in 2x2 before. I think, at least. But yeah, this was the base, and now we're building the actual gun, so... Also, by the way, you can see... that in these instructions and their instructions, it's just like with Lego, it's also, like, not grayed out or anything, it's the same, but, like, the new stuff is marked. This time in red. I think Lego did it in, like, a desaturated blue-ish, right? Grayish, something like that. I don't remember exactly. We could actually look it up right now. Wait. In this one, they don't mark it at all. Like, you can see it here. Like, they don't mark it at all. Maybe because it's so obvious where the new pieces are. Yeah. They don't mark it at all in this one, but I think in the Disney, in the Lego camera... Wait, let me pull out that manual. In the 100 Years camera... No, also not. It's just... Yeah, no, see, they did. It did have outlines here. Like, this is red, right? So Modbricks does it like Lego, with, like, this red here as well. Okay. Oh, fuck. Sorry. But interesting that Lego only does it, like, sometimes, I guess, not always. I find just organizing the color of the pieces the most fun part. To me, that's the most boring part, honestly. But, Lily, if we ever happen to build one of these together, because I am gonna keep buying them, these are so much fun. If we ever happen to build one of these together, you could sort them and then I could build it, if you want. I was just about to say, wait, isn't this supposed to be centered? It's this on the wrong side, but no, you can see it up here. It is meant to be off center, and yeah, it makes sense in like these guns, right? I forgot. But okay, that's so much for this for now. Now we're moving on to something completely different. Yet again, something separate. Yes, nice. But to me, in my opinion, like the searching the pieces is part of the fun. Like right now it's the most fun because I don't have that many left, so I can kind of immediately see where they are, but sometimes I have to look a little bit. That's like the most fun to me. But of course I could compromise, and you know, if we do it together... How do they say it? Organized chaos? I like organized chaos. Oh. Sounds like a collab to me. I mean, I'm just saying if. We have seen each other in the past, right, in Paris. It's not like we're gonna meet anytime soon. I think, at least, as far as I know. Are we gonna meet sometime soon, Lily? Do you want to come over? But no. It's just like if we ever do a collab. Or maybe even not a collab. Maybe just hanging out, you know? It's not like we're gonna stream the whole time if you visit me, right? Oh, the camera seems to have normalized, stabilized, whatever. But the rest seems to be stable and in place. I don't know what was up with that. The rest seems to be fine. Still, that doesn't make it any better, of course. It is still bad, and I don't want to say it's not. It's bad, but at least it's only the case, like, it's only been the case once. That's cute with these little binoculars. Would probably be a few trains. That's okay. How many trains is it for you to get to Brussels? Because from Brussels to here it's not that long. It's not that long. But you would probably go to Brussels or Ghent or like any other big city. And then from there on it should be smooth sailing because Belgium is small. Train from London to Amsterdam, then from there where Jen lives. I don't think there like I don't live in like the biggest city ever. I don't think there are any direct trains from here to Amsterdam. But yeah, at least it wouldn't take that long anymore from there. Belgium is fairly easy to drive through quickly on the way somewhere else. Exactly! Oh, I'm liking how this looks already. Oh, this is already it, okay. Oh, that's cool. I thought like it attaches onto this free space, but no, it's only these two hinges or these are hinges, right? That attach to these two thingies. That's cool. And yeah, it holds properly. I don't know what it was with that. Again, I don't know. It doesn't seem to be the case anywhere else so far, which doesn't make it any better. It is still bad. It is still bad and makes me at least very, very sus of mod bricks. So if I ever buy anything from mod bricks again, it will be something as cheap as this set, because this set was very cheap. And I will tell you the price later. I have said it on stream before, but I will not say it again yet. You can already guess if you want. I want to make this a guessing game again. How much did I pay for this little set? 94 pieces. $20? Hmm? 5 hours drive, 5-hour drive for me? Interesting. Wait, did I do it the wrong way around? Wait, am I completely... Wait, what? I did do it the wrong way. What the fuck? How did I fuck this up? Yeah. Oh my god, what the hell? I attached this the wrong way around. This is meant to be on the passenger side. Not passenger, you know what I mean. What the fuck? How did I do that? Any more guesses? I'll ask again when I'm done with it. Yeah, there we go, like this. And you can also like turn it a little. That's kind of cool because it... Yeah, that... Does that make sense? I wanted to say because that also makes sense to be able to like turn it a little. I think it does. I'm almost sure it does. Okay. There we go. And now we attach these ones here. This is already page 14 out of 16, by the way. And don't forget, these manuals, these instructions always include the pieces themselves, like which ones, how many, and so on. And we also only have this left, so... Sounds like Ohio. Is Belgium like Europe's Ohio? There we go. That is all the pieces. No extra pieces, no leftovers, no spare pieces. It's just this. And this... goes on top of this. Like so. There we go. It's actually bigger than I thought, in a way. Oh, and it rotates freely. But not freely to, like, you know, to just fall over. But you can rotate it freely. And you can move the binoculars in place. Oops. No, come on. There we go. And we get the little World War II anti-aircraft gun, which looks much darker on cam now than it does in real life. This dark brown is not as dark as it appears on camera. It is actually really close to what you see up here. This is more like what it looks like in real life. So, how much did I pay for this? What do you think? If you don't already know, because I have said it on stream before. Nice and cute. And perfect to just put somewhere, right? Ideally, for example, the destroyed Berlin diorama, which I'm gonna build sometime. I don't know if I'm gonna build it next. At this point, I have so many things that I want to build. I'm not sure which one's next. But it will be one of the next ones, obviously. 1999 is not correct. And I don't see any more guesses. This was, in fact... $3.95. And you know what? For €4, I say fair enough. For €4, this is fair enough. And the one part that is really bad was then still later put into place by being attached pretty much from all sides, and it doesn't move anymore, because of course it doesn't. So it's not too bad in the grand scheme of things, in the end. It does say a lot about this company's quality control, or like in general quality. That is bad, and I'm not sure if I would want to buy anything that's more expensive than this from this company. But as is, this little set is cute and nice, and for €4, why the fuck not? Yeah, of course, it's nice. But it's also actually like a little bigger than I thought. I kind of expected it to be a little smaller. But it has a nice size to it. It's like... It's minifig sized. Walt, I'm not sure what... Take that pen out of your hand. You're not writing anything. You're doing war. Adolf, this is Walt. This is not a... Fuck. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you the last page. Wait. And I didn't see it myself. Yeah, it's just the pieces. Okay, cool. That is too good.